DreamHost claims top performance at budget prices. But in 2025, is it still the best value hosting option? DreamHost offers shared hosting starting at just $2.59 per month, making it one of the cheapest major hosts. You get a free domain, SSL, unlimited traffic, and 97-day money-back guarantee, far longer than most. Their control panel is custom built, which some love for simplicity. Though it's not cPanel, performance is solid with SSD storage and data centers in the US. But speeds can vary compared to premium hosts. They also have WordPress specific plans optimized for better caching and updates. Support is 24/7 via chat, but phone support costs extra. If you need a simple, affordable host for blogs, portfolios, and small business sites, DreamHost remains one of the most budget-friendly and transparent options in 2025. Affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly, DreamHost still delivers for budget-conscious users. Follow for more quick hosting reviews.